Hello everyone, welcome to Caster Squad. In this video, I will teach you how to register on DigiSkills website and also how you can enroll in various courses offered by DigiSkills. Before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. So let's start. Click any web browser, type DigiSkills, click on official link of DigiSkills website. So this is the home page of DigiSkill. First, sign up. For sign up, enter your first name, last name, enter your email address, enter your password, click on submit. So congratulations, you have been signed up successfully. We sent an account activation email. Please check your inbox for an account activation link from digiskill.pk. So open gmail.com, open your Gmail account, enter your password, click on confirm. So here you will get an email by DigiSkill for activation of your account. So click on this link. Congratulations, you have activated your account successfully. Click on sign in now. So enter your email address, enter your password, click on sign in. So dear trainee, you have to complete your profile first in order to proceed with academic activities. So here your first name, last name, select your gender, date of birth, day, month, year, enter your CNIC number or your parent's CNIC number, country Pakistan, nationality Pakistani, select your city, here enter your mailing or postal address, select operator, enter your number, personal computer, laptop at home, yes, internet facility at home, yes, DSL. Now click on qualification experience, enter your highest qualification, select master, bachelor, specialization, select your current status, select your future plan. So click on proficiency interests. First, rate your computer proficiency. So second, rate your English language proficiency in speaking and in writing. Why do you want to join courses of digiskill.pk? Select any one option. What would you like to learn? Freelancing, graphic design, Select any options. Where did you hear about us? Facebook, YouTube. Are you familiar with freelancing? Yes. Click on submit. I hereby clarify that information entered here is true to the best of my knowledge. So click OK. So here upload your passport size photo. So click on open. So photo is uploaded successfully. Click on home page. Here enter your number and verify now or ask me later. Now click on enroll now batch 9. Here you can enroll in 2 courses for each batch. If you are enrolling for the first time, then it is compulsory to enroll freelancing courses, and second course you can select from available courses. From here you can see detail. Click on save. Click OK. So enrollment saved successfully. So if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. If you have any question about video, then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. See you in another interesting video. Take care. Bye bye.